So I'm gonna make prime rib tonight. So I got this 6 pounds prime rib, this big meat. So first of all, you wash it, pat it dry. And then we're gonna preheat the oven to 500 degrees. Meanwhile, while we do that, we're gonna mix this. Okay, so we're gonna use some olive oil, some minced garlic, fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, some sea salt, some black pepper, and we're gonna mix this. We're gonna marinate the meat with this. So we're gonna start marinating the meat. Put it all over the meat, massage it, put it all over the meat, front and back, everything. Okay. So we've put the meat in there for about 84 minutes. Why 84 minutes? Because we've got a 6 pound meat. So if you want medium rare, we want each pound to be about 14 minutes. So we put it in there for 84 minutes. So now we're about to take it out. And first of all, we have to test the temperature. We want it to be at about 120 degrees because if we want medium rare, we want it to be about 130 degrees. But when we take it out and let it rest for 10 minutes, the temperature will keep rising. So we want it about 10 degrees less than what we want, okay? So we're gonna test it with a meat thermometer right now. So we stick it in right in the middle of the meat. And, okay, it keeps rising. We shouldn't let it sit in there for too long. Okay, perfect. It's about 120, so we're about to take it out. And you can see, we put the meat on the meat rack because we want the drippings. We're gonna make the drippings, we're gonna make the Au Jus Sauce with the meat drippings.